It's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys an off-road trailer we have in stock. If you guys are looking for a dual purpose unit that you guys can haul in, camp in, get off-road in, this is it. This is a brand new 2019 7x16 off-road trailer in a bronze blackout. This is a matte bronze. It's a beautiful color. You guys can see it does come with the diamond plate rock guard protection on the bottom, as well as those big wrapped corners there. And then you've got all these great LED exterior running lights. Front generator box. That's what you guys are looking at right here. You guys can see you can lock that down underneath. That's the platform, so you can set that generator on there and have a place to store it. You also have a side swivel jack, removable front coupler. This is an awesome feature because this entire end piece right here pulls out and completely removes, so great for theft. It's also good because you can add an articulating hitch to it later on if you would like. Side door does have a nice gutter, and you've got the RV lock and cam bar on there as well, so double lock protection. That little box that you guys see right there next to that side door is an exterior GFI outlet, as this is equipped with 30 amp service. You also have the all aluminum roof rack with ladder there on top. That's good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed, so things like kayaks, canoes, paddle boards, that sort of a thing. You also have the two LED exterior party lights here off the side. These are awesome lights, gives you guys some light to hang out with at night. And then we've got two 3,500 pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, black diamond plate fender, aluminum American racing wheels, 32-inch Mudterrain tires. And these off-road trailers usually give you about 18, 19 inches worth of ground clearance. So you really can truly get off-road and have some fun. One of the differences you guys will see with our trailers versus some other things out there is we don't have a big long huge axle tube that hangs down underneath there like many of the campers and stuff does. So it really again allows you to really have that nice ground clearance underneath these trailers. It's drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back for extra stability. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close on it. You also have the really cool black diamond plate wrap around that rear door jamb, and then two LED load light spotlights off the back as well, so you guys will have some light to see what you're doing at night if you need to load and unload in the dark. Now we also have insulated walls and insulated ceiling in here with a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner, so it's easy to take care of and keep clean. Two 18x44 slider windows with screens across from each other, and these are tinted windows. They're lockable, so you guys can have some good function there. And then also the awesome performance Nudo floor with Drymax. That's this product right here. Super durable surface here on top, this black surface that you're looking at. Underneath is Drymax, and Drymax is a product that does not absorb the water or the moisture. So that's also on the underneath side of this trailer. So this floor is going to last a lot longer than what a standard wood floor will, because it's not going to warp and shrink if it gets wet like a standard wood would do. Now you also have 4 D-rings in the floor, so you do have some tie down points there. And then we're going to talk about power options in here because there's a couple different power sources, and I love how we set these trailers up. You do have a battery with a battery box and a battery charger right here. So this battery is key because it's going to run those exterior party lights and spotlights that we just looked at outside. It's also going to run your 4 LED interior puck lights, and you've got 2 here in the front and 2 of these in the rear. That's these little guys right here. So it allows you to have light on the interior and exterior of the trailer without having to be plugged into a vehicle. So for you guys that don't know, normally you'd have to have your trailer plugged in with your running lights on the vehicle to be able to have power to the trailer. So that eliminates the need for that. Now we also have 30 amp service in here as well. That right there, you take your cord, pop it right through the floor. You can go into your generator, and you can plug into an extension cord. You can plug into just a regular campground if you'd like, and that's going to power up your 4 interior outlets. There's 3 right here, another one in the rear, and that exterior GFI outlet. That's also going to power up for you guys these nice big 4-foot LEDs that are across the ceiling here. And of course you've got light switches to control these, so you guys can have some different lighting options, and light will not be an issue in here with these 4 foot. So it gives you guys, again, just another option there. You also have this awesome Maxx Air roof vent. That means it has the bubble cover over it, so you guys don't have to worry about having that open and forgetting to close it. If it rains, it's not going to leak in on your stuff. And then your 30 amp service also is going to run your AC unit with a heat strip, so you guys can see you do have hot and cold right there as well for some climate control. So this unit is going to weigh around 2,200 pounds. It's going to give you about a 5,000 pound payload capacity. These are not meant for cars. However, they are meant for toys, razors, UTVs, and again, about 4,500 to 5,000 pounds worth of payload. So you guys can stick quite a bit of stuff in here and have some fun. It does have a 7-foot interior height as well, which is going to give us a full 6'6" at the rear ramp door, which is going to be tall enough for most razors, UTVs, and side-by-sides. We personally have a Razor 1000 with 32-inch tires on it and a light bar, and they fit in here absolutely no problem whatsoever. It is a 4-seater, so kind of give you guys an idea of size and what will fit. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, we would love to earn your business. We are the exclusive home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer. We ship if you guys don't live near us, so just give us a call and we'll get you a shipping quote to get this trailer delivered to your door. And you can reach us at 303-688-8485, or of course we're always online at coloradotrailersinc.com. And be sure to like and subscribe.